Hey everyone, welcome to Pada Live. This is me Anaikomagan and welcome you to the review or my feelings about this film called Saras, a beautiful Malayalam film which was released on Amazon Prime Video, and I'm going to talk extensively about it. So Saras, starring Anna Ben and Sunny Wayne and Mallika Sukumaran and a lot of other actors like Siddiq is there. A lot of veteran Malayalam actors are there. Mallika Sukumaran, as I said, is mother of Prithviraj Sukumaran. She has acted quite well in the film. Then the film is shouldered, or say like it is carried on shoulders by Anna Ben. So Anna Ben is like after Daya Ben and Jeev Daya Ben, I think it's Anna Ben all the way. So Anna Ben is an amazing performer. Like in this film as Sarah Vincent, she has quite lived up to her role and she's quite cute and very childish kind of a character. Her character, not the way she thinks, not her character is sketched out. So kudos to Anna Ben for giving such an amazing performance, and we have to see how she goes forward because she has done a lot of amazing films, Capella and Helen. Like in last few years, I think she has proved herself like with various characters, with a lot of variety, and she looks quite like Kajol as well, Bollywood actress, and in some angles, in some expressions and all. So she looks quite, she has that resemblance to Kajol. So that was also noted by me, but I don't think anyone else would have noted. Coming to talk about the other cast, like Sunny Wayne supported very well in the film. Like his character is so layered, like his character thinks something before and after that he thinks something after some kind of a maturity. So it's quite nicely layered. And if you ask me, this film will be remade by Ayushmann Khurrana. I think like that because this film has all the elements of an Ayushmann Khurrana film, and he will definitely remake it, or he'll definitely think of adapting it because this film has all the elements of an Ayushmann Khurrana film. That was the first thought when I watched this film, that Ayushmann Khurrana might remake this film after watching this film because it has all that elements, and at the same time the synopsis looks like his film. It's straight out of the formula he follows. But coming to talk about the other story, screenplay, script, everything is good. Like it's a feel-good film with a strong message, and it's about a society and societal norm, and how much we pressurize ourselves before parenthood, and how much parenthood is important, and how much important it to be prepared to become parents is quite nicely explained within scenes. So that's very nice. I think it's one of the most layered messages you get in the film. So finally, coming to talk about the technicalities of the film, editing by Riyaz K. Badar is good, quite amazing, and written by Akshay Harish. I think he has written quite well. I think he has observed a lot of things while writing the script. That's nice. And again, editing, as I said, editing is amazing. Then cinematography by Nimish Ravi was good. Like you had a lot of scenes and a lot of angle shots and everything. So it was quite nicely put. So that was nice to see. Then other technicalities like art direction and everything, they had a lot of scope with art direction because they had very less locations to be shot. Like they had only 3 to 4 locations, if I'm not wrong. So that was quite nicely conceived and nicely put. Then direction by Jude Anthony Joseph. I think the final credits come that Jude Anthony Joseph Cinema. I think it's quite a befitting ending, and the ending was superb. Like the climax was superb. After giving out the message, after fleshing out the message, the way they put the credits was good, and the way they ended, like the film talks about misogyny, consent, and the concept of having contraceptive failure and everything related with pregnancy, parenthood. Like there are a lot of messages, there are a lot of scenes which gives you that important things to be addressed in our society, because in our society we think it's very it's very pretty early to get parents, but we don't think, or we don't put that thoughts that how much we should be prepared to become parents, because becoming parents is like you have to, it's a job again, so you have to be prepared for it. So if someone asks me to how to put this film into 2 to 3 sentences, I would say it's a battle between love for passion or love for career with love for kids or love for your family life. I will put it in that way. So that's where the film draws a fine line, like how much you should give your career importance, how much you should give your family importance. And that was nice to see, because a lot of these films go one dimensional, like they don't try to address at the other way, like they don't try to address the other side of the coin. So that was nice to see with this particular film. So I hope to see a lot of films from Anna Ben and this particular team of Jude, Anthony, Joseph. So please go and watch Saras on Amazon Prime Video. Like if you want to watch a feel-good film with a lot of layers and messages, you should give it a watch and you will have a great time, and I can guarantee that. And bye.